Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to um, check your form entries. So this is all about form entries. So when you log in, you're going to be on your dashboard page. And if your screen isn't set up like this, I'll just show you, you might have all these other features, boxes that are ticked. And so you can see that it gets kind of a little bit crowded. So I like to just go ahead and, click the boxes that are, so it's not so crowded. So that's how you do that. And then make sure that you have access to this help page. And I'll just show you if I click this link here. I will be adding more videos, but this is where you can get instructions and information, and then you can just click this and it'll take you right back to the main dashboard page. So anyway, while that's loading, so when you log in, you're going to see any unread forms here, and the assessment forms are at the top here. And then the registration forms will be down at the bottom just because they're in alphabetical order. So if you want to review individual forms, we see here there's 25 unread. So if I click this here, it opens up into the entry. So this is the entry page for this, just only for this form. So you can see if you want to scroll to a different form, let's say we wanted to look at 371, that's an easy way to toggle through your different forms, and they each have a number here. So anyway, so let's say that we want to, let's say this person said they didn't get their certificate. And so in here, we can look at all the form fields, but I'll just show you, here's their name. They said yes. Here's their question. Here's the answer to everything all the questions that they answered. This is her certificate name, the date. These are the fields that are automatically populated in the PDF, which I'll show you in a minute. And she actually did upload her file. So if I click on that, you can see that here. So she did this properly. She went through and filled this out properly. She filled it out as a PDF. Now let's say that you want to make a note here that you have automatically, that you have filed this person's ASHA certification. So you could just say 6/30, I'm just going to put a date in the future, filed ASHA certification. And then you can add this note here, or also you can email it to Lauren, and that is her, it's defaulting, so we're not going to do that right now. But then I wanted to show you also here on these entries, you can see over here on the right. So here, this is the PDF that was generated. And we can click this and we can view it. You can download it. But it's telling you what class she took. And it has her name and it has the date. And if she said that she didn't receive this, we could resend this notification. And so you don't have to put her email in here. This is telling you you can send it. Let's say she wants to send it to her boss or whatever. You can add a different email in here. But if you leave it blank and you click resend notifications, it's automatically going to happen. And you can also resend a notification to yourself. And so that's how to, this is how to work within the form entry. And then any form field, well, let's say that if Jean sent you a request and said, well, I didn't get you don't have her email, or you're not sure, you can sort through these. So I'm going to go back. Let me look at all these here. And let me just, so we have Julie. And so anybody named Julie would pop up, so you could, kind of easily find any form entries. So that's how that works to view the assessment forms.